I was so unhappy with my smile, so unhappy with the aesthetics, and I really needed to make a decision because I knew that it wasn't working for me. My name is Mark Monaghan. I'm originally from Liverpool in England, and I was very self-conscious about my teeth as well. They were particularly uneven, quite a severe underbite. They were mismatched. I had problems chewing food, and I knew that it needed to be corrected.
My first impression of Mark was, this is going to be a challenge. His main dental concerns is his jaw was protruding in front of his upper jaw. He had an underbite. It was starting to affect his quality of life. His teeth were being worn, and it was all due to a non-functional bite.
What prompted me to seek a solution was that I knew from the get-go that I had to correct the severe underbite. It was affecting every aspect of my life, and I knew that. I knew in my heart of heart that I really needed to make a change.
He came to us because of our experience. Mark had done his homework. He had read all the reviews. He had seen all the testimonials. He had been following us on Instagram for about 2 years.
Why did I choose Dr. Alberto? I think because of his professionalism, his dedication. I didn't ever feel at any point that he was ever selling me a product. As soon as I walked in, I was greeted by the staff, by the receptionist. I was treated like family. I was introduced to Dr. Alberto right from the get-go, and he really gave me an air of confidence that he was able to work with me.
After doing facial scans, I recommended to Mark to have the dental implants and 24-hour treatment done. Why? Because we needed to restore his function. We're able to place implants in the proper position, and we're able to give Mark not only a functional bite, a Dr. Implant smile.
I wanted the Dr. Implant smile. Everything here is done with a digital workflow here at Dr. Implant. So they were able to take scans, CT scans, they were able to scan the whole mouth, and they were able to do a mock-up of my actual smile. And that was really quite positive because I could see what the aesthetic was going to be like even before I was to go forward with the procedure. The first time that I saw my Dr. Implant smile, I couldn't believe that, and the first thing that I said to the doctor, "You fixed my underbite. Oh my goodness, how have you done that?" And it was very emotional. It was an emotional moment. And the doctor said to me, his response was, "We've only just started. Wait till you see the finished product."
When we gave Mark his teeth, you should have seen his expressions. It gave me goosebumps.
Now that I have my Dr. Implant smile, I can smile in a photograph. I can go to work with confidence, and I can actually chew food correctly. My bite is beautiful.
Mark's confidence and demeanor has totally changed. His self-esteem has improved so much, and it's a really good feeling. What an impact we've had on his overall mental health.
For any folks out there who are watching this video, who are hesitant, who are thinking, "Oh, is this the right thing to do?" I would say go for it 1000%. If you're looking at other dental offices, I would suggest that you really stop the search now and just come to Dr. Alberto, because there's no one else better. It's incredibly exciting, and you're going to have the smile, the design smile that you've always wanted.